Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Get Specific. So today's video, I have an issue with my transmission with my G35. All this problem is coming to G35 Nissan 350Z with the valve body speed sensor. The code I have, it was a P1716, was the speed sensor herself. So I gotta show you a process if the car jerk when you drive before start gets hot. So don't forget, this video is really important, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more tricks. Stay with me guys, gonna show everything about this car, how to fix the problem every day when you drive. You don't want the car jerks, so the car is gonna be start driving smooth and normal. Stay with me. So first thing, before you drive the car, make sure the car gets hot. The temperature gauge gets up all the way to the top and the gauge go down, be normal. Because if you drive the car cold, especially my car has a tune, you have a cold intake, you have a lot of stuff in the car, so this is why I have to make sure the car gets hot, temperature gets hot like that. And some issue happened for me before my speed sensor happened. So one day I was driving and the shifter was paused in the sports mode. I didn't see it. I'm driving, so the car starts shift hard and see what's going on, why the car doesn't want to shift. So was the issue was this one over here. And now sometimes when I put the sports mode, it doesn't show like 1, it keeps showing D. So now what I have to do, if you want the car like drive and you feel the car doesn't want to shift, I gotta show you what you do. Okay, first thing you do, you have to turn off the car, take the key out and put the key in ignition, 2 clicks forward, open the door, turn off the car, close the door, put the key back, 2 clicks forward, open the door one more time. This is how you reset the sports mode. Turn off the car, close the door, 2 clicks back again, open the door, remove the key, close the door, 2 clicks forward again, open the door, close the key, then start the car. And another thing, if you see the ET here and when you drive flashing, that means you have a big problem with transmission. If it's not, you have a small issue, it could be something else. So this shifter, I think you have some problem in it, because I think I have some roof leaking. I think there's some corrosion. So what you gotta do after that, like one day, you gotta make the video, you gotta open this thing and lubricate inside and see there is corrosion on the sides of it or not. Because I think my problem was just the shifter, because that one shifter was issue. You gotta give the speed sensor issue too. So let's start the car and let's drive the car and see what the car do. Okay, let's drive. I'm driving the car now. Oh, see the shaking, guys? There we go. So after I did that, the shaking was little now. After I got the car hot, do the process so that the car drive normal. Yeah, I let the car get hot, resets the mode, sports mode. So the jerk was literally is not like much like before. If I don't do this process every day, the car drive me nuts and always like jerk like crazy. Let's keep driving now. Keep attention guys what I'm doing now, because no one gotta show you what the car do if they have a transmission issue, if you have the speed sensor issue. Especially on those cars, you have to change the whole valve body or you have to change the whole transmission. See, jump. Yeah. So only one jump for now. Now I'm at 50. Yeah, the car shifts pretty much, give horsepower, but only when the car is cold. When I make the car get hot, and I do the process I show you, the car be drive normal, and after that just the car when it gets hot I have no issue anymore. It is safety to drive, yes, for me and no for somebody. If you have like check like the 80 automatic transmission flashing check, that means you have a big issue there, but me I don't have that issue. I think only the shifter is the issue, so I have to lubricate, or maybe there is corrosion inside of it, and I have to do that. I have to fix it before I have U1000 no communication with the transmission. From that time too is the issue start growing up. So now the car will drive normal. Stay with me and we see when we drive more horsepower and see what's going on there. Another one. Yeah, we keep driving. No problem. Yeah, this is how we do it, guys. Go U-turn because I go fishing now. So just I want to make sure you guys how I do it. Just make the car get hot. Sometimes lubrication inside the transmission make the issue. But every morning I have to do this process until I fix my problem. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that we keep showing more tricks. See ya guys. Yeah, we keep driving.